College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Enville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Ephrata, Columbia, Lidditch, Mount Joy, Palmyra, Manheim, Anvil, East Petersburg, Cornwall, Akron, and Salunga and Landisville. Radar has indicated rotation within the severe thunderstorm.
Hazard,
Although
60
tornado
miles
is
per
not
hour
immediately
wind
likely, tornadoes can develop quickly
radar
during severe
indicated.
thunderstorms.
Oh, tornado possible. Uh-oh.
This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 259 to
Severe thunderstorm
275.
warning for northwestern
Stay inside a
Lancaster
well-built
County
structure
in
and keep away
south-central
from windows.
Pennsylvania, southwestern
Continuous
Lebanon
cloud
County.
to ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and Lebanon.
Mount Joy, Palmyra, Manhattan, Anvil, East Petersburg, Cornwall, Akron, and Salunga,
The
Landisville.
National Weather Service
Has indicated rotation within the severe. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Ephrata, Columbia, Orm. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. This includes radar has indicated rotation within the severe thunderstorm. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Preparedness actions. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
What the hell?
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Alright then. So, I don't know why you say, you can't seem to say lightning is one of nature's leading killers. There, Craig, you have to mess that part up, but okay, thank you, CTP.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Allegheny County in western Maryland,
There we go.
northeastern Monroe County
Clean your
in
camera.
West Virginia until 9 p.m.
Oh,
At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Long Vale or near Bel Air, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
don't need you up that loud anymore, Seeing Gina only had it for the live stream yesterday.
Damage winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Cumberland, Frostburg, Bel Air.
Oh, there goes the
Long Vale,
XM43
Red
also,
Lake,
but unfortunately I can't get that here.
Park, Wiley Ford, Eckhart Mines, Mount Savage, Ellerslie, Corriganville, Midland, Midlothian, Woodland, Spring Gap, Patterson Creek, Pleasant Valley, Pinto, and Wagoner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia.
Alright, thank you, Sterling. Oh boy. This is for me.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwest County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania until 11:30 p.m. At 10:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line.
Storm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties, Adams and Franklin. Effective until 11:32 p.m., the National Weather Service and State College PA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Southwestern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania.
West Coast Management. The National Weather Service and State Scotland, Heritage, and Rouseville. This includes Interstate 81 from mile marker 0 to Adams and Franklin. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. The National Weather Service and The National Weather Service. Source. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chambersburg, Waynesboro, Gettysburg, Greencastle, Guilford, Carroll Valley, Fayetteville, Wayne Heights, Mont Alto, Scotland, Lake Heritage, and Rouseville.
Not for me.
Utility companies to
Mile marker 0 to 23. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. 11:30 p.m. for the following counties: Adams and Franklin.
Dancing of the year during a heat wave, so though I doubt it will be the best
The
dancing of the year.
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has
I don't
issued
know
a
if you guys
severe
know for this,
thunderstorm
but,
warning for northeastern Washington County in north central Maryland, north central Frederick County in north central Maryland
Uh-oh.
until 11:45 p.m.
Oh boy.
At 11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Mont Alto to near Greencastle, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour.
Oh, I was DXing, so I may as well go to the ones that are relaying. Oh, it's 96. Oops.
Source, radar. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Unwatchable. Objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Thurmont, Mittsburg, Fountainhead Orchard Hills, Smithsburg, Paramount Long Meadow, Longensville, Minersburg, St. Eulisto, Fort Ritchie, Greenville, Middleburg, Grayson, and Cascade. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright, cool. Nice.